Congratulations, Dow Jones DJIA finally has reached the 29,563. Now, this elusive level has been in our mind for the last 4-5 months, and undeniable on Friday when this figure reached itself, it was hell of a good time for a lot of people, and I know that many of you has made money from it. Congratulations to you once again. Alright, before I continue, this disclaimer applies usual because I'm going to share with you what to look out for the Dow Jones in the coming weeks, and of course, thank you AIMS for all the kind sponsorship. Now, if you remember, I have been calling for this number 29,563 3 months ago. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel, and I repeated it again subsequently because I just got this very clear feeling that I know that the Dow will hit this level, and the rational reason is because that is an 80% mark based on the highest level of the Dow Jones, right? And of course, the thing is this: I am very specific. It's not like a ballpark figure of 29,500 or 30,000. I gave to the number 563. I said that the Dow Jones, because of the 10-year bond. Now, back then itself, right, the 10-year yield was trading at 2.76%, and I was very confident. I said that very high chance we're going to see the bond yield going to 3.2% and higher. And I said that if once that happened, the Dow Jones will reach 29,563. And that was on the 25th of May. All right, that's 25th of May. That means that we're talking about 4 months ago, right? And it really reached our target. So obviously it's all right. You can see that I actually shared this to more than 200 people online. I said that the Dow Jones will be going there. Let me just bring up for you this. This is not very clear. Let me just bring up the one in front to you. Okay, you can see right here itself on the 3rd of September, okay, I actually wrote there the way the S&P 500 moved towards the end was something very suspicious, and usually this means trouble. Of course, you need a very experienced trader to know this, and in the market for 20 years, to me itself, this is a very big red light. So I said that this is not a good sign, and I said that a closing of the Dow Jones below 30,000 will bring the Dow all the way down, and because that will mean that S&P 500 will hit the bear territory, which really happened. All right, so this is something that I mentioned. I gave you the chart, I gave you my explanation, and voila, the market really reached on the 29th, reached the market itself on this particular day, 29,563. Congratulations to all of you, well done. Okay, so the thing is this: did people make money? Of course people make money. Let's take a look at these numbers. Oh my god, this is one of the students who make as much as 14,000 US dollars. Oh my god, and look at it. The thing is that he shorted at 32,174. Why did he do that? Because that was where we recommended, somewhere around here. Yeah, this is where we recommended to short the Dow Jones, somewhere here. In fact itself, since the start of the year, all the red arrows were where we call for sell. Undeniable. Now, how do we do that? Because we have learned something called BMB. Can you see that? There's a big movement bar over here. There's one over here. There's one over here. There's one. This one don't have it. This is one, the most recent one, okay? And 14,000 only one student. In fact, many students make, and this another student who make about 11,000 US dollar also by shorting the Dow Jones and holding the position. And it's not heavy, what they call heavy lot size. It's all single contract, just because they realize that it is better to just follow the same direction downwards and make the profit. So congratulations to all the students. There's so many of them. I could have time to just update here. But now the question is this: what to look out for? All right, so you think that is this the lowest point? Well, the Dow Jones, why it came down to here? Because this is the highest. So we do the 5% what we call retracement act, which I created myself. Now back in May when we called for sell, it was somewhere around here. The Dow Jones came down and it misses the 29,563 by just 100 points, okay, less than 100 points, and it went all the way up itself. And that's where people get confused and said, hey Kel, am I wrong? But I told them, look, if the 10-year yield is still going to go down, going to go up higher to 3.5, even 4%, don't worry, the Dow Jones will come down. And you look at it, the market took about nearly 2 months to go up here, right? And less than a month itself, right, the market came back down, and now it's even lower than the 29,563. So if you ask me when will the market bottom out, right? Very important, look at the tail. Now, every time when there's a reversal itself, there'll be a long tail. That means the tail will be longer than the body. Now, you look at it, right? Last Friday, the tail was there, but the tail is nowhere longer than the body. So I suspect that we should see a little bit more downside to come. And if you look carefully now, this is the whole chart here itself. If you put the RSI, which is the normal trading indicator, you can see that, right, we are near the low end. Okay, so yes, indeed, traditionally we should see a bottom out effect, but in terms of price action, we must see the long tail. So as long as the long tail is not done, it's difficult to call for a bottom, and usually a long tail means capitulation. All right, so this is something to watch out for. And later on, when I do the next video result, I'll tell you more about Dow Jones, but a quick one right now just to show it to you for today. Let me bring it in right now. The Dow Jones, the Dow Jones itself now, today it's already breached below the 29,777 level, which I told you it will definitely hit on Friday, and it really happened. And now we are now below the pivot 1 level with the KSI rate and the KRW rate. There's a good chance we'll see the Dow Jones coming down to 29,200 series. Now I suspect the Dow Jones will come to this here, stop there, and potentially do a reversal. Now if all this happen with the long tail that I just mentioned earlier, then there's a very good chance that the market will rebound. Okay, so until that is all right. This Cal signing off. I hope you guys make money. Do me a favor, donate 1% of profit to the charity organization of any of them. You can find those donation box in 7-Eleven or store or McDonald's. In fact, just donate 1%. That's all I ask for. This is Cal signing off. Bye bye.